Hello everyone, I'm Miss Munira, or you can call me Teacher Ira. As you know, I'm your science teacher, and yesterday we have learned about definition of science. Science is a discipline that involves systematic observations and experiments of natural phenomena. So today, we are going to learn Topic 1.2, it's about your science laboratory. So science laboratory is a room equipped to conduct scientific investigations and experiments. There are many types of materials and apparatus found in the lab. For example, measuring cylinder, retort stand, and pipette. So today, as you can see from my slide here, these are the common lab apparatus that we usually use. The first one is crucible, we call as mangkuk pijar. We use it to heat chemicals. Next, test tube. Test tube is used to contain chemicals. Stopwatch, like this, to measure time. Calipers like vernier caliper to measure diameters. For example, diameter of a book. Thermometer to measure temperature. Evaporating dish, mangkuk sejat or piring sejat, okay? We use it to evaporating liquid from a solution. Cork and rubber stopper as a stopper for test tubes or conical flasks. Glass slide, hold specimen for observation under a microscope. Test tube holder, hold test tubes and syringe, transfer small quantities of liquid. We also have other apparatus like boiling tube, test tube, beaker, conical flask, flat bottom flask, measuring cylinder, burette, pipette, tripod stand, wire gauze, filter funnel, gas jar, retort stand with clamp. You can read them from textbook page number 10 until 11. The next one, we are going to learn the symbols of hazardous materials in the laboratory. So the first one is corrosive. So for corrosive chemicals, do not touch these chemicals because it will burn your skin. In case of contact with the skin, wash the affected part with lots of water. So examples for corrosive chemical are concentrated acid and alkali. Next one, radioactive. Radioactive materials that emit radioactive rays can cause cancer. Examples, uranium and plutonium. The third one is toxic or poisonous. So the chemical with this symbol is poisonous or toxic. So do not drink, eat, smell, or taste this chemical. An example of the chemicals are mercury and chlorine. Number 4. This is a symbol of harmful or irritant. So chemicals which irritate give out vapor or fumes that will hurt the eyes, nose, and throat. Avoid inhaling the vapor or fumes. Use the chemicals inside a fume chamber. Examples for the chemicals are chloroform and ammonia. Next one, number 5. This is explosive symbol. So the chemical is explosive. Use this chemical according to the instructions carefully. Examples for the chemicals which explosive are hydrogen gas and butane gas. Last one, highly flammable. This chemical easily vaporizes and is flammable. Keep away this chemical from fire or heat sources. Use this chemical according to the instructions carefully. Examples for the chemicals which are highly flammable are alcohol and petrol. So now we're going to learn and identify the correct units for different physical quantities. Recall the measurements that you have learned in primary school. A physical quantity in science is defined as a physical characteristic that can be measured. The common base quantities used are length, mass, time, temperature, and electric current. The International System of Units, known as SI units, is used for the consistency of measurement. This allows accurate exchange of data and scientific knowledge to the entire world. So SI unit for length is meter with the symbol M, and the instrument used to measure length is meter rule. SI unit for mass is kilogram. Instrument used lever or beam balance. SI unit for time is second. Instrument used to measure time is stopwatch. For temperature is Kelvin. Instrument uses thermometer. For electric current is ampere, and the instrument used is ammeter. Okay, that's all for now.